Hi guys, today we talk about the Vivo S18 Pro versus Vivo S18. The Vivo S18 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $500 and the Vivo S18 launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $400. The weight of these devices, the Vivo S18 Pro have 188 grams and the Vivo S18 have 185 grams. The build, the front and back glass and the plastic frame and dual SIM supported. The display of these devices, the both devices come with AMOLED 1 billion color display and the screen size is same and the resolution is same 1260 by 2800 and the PPI density is same 453. The refresh rate is 120Hz. Both devices, the screen to body ratio is same 89 by 9%. The protection of these devices, the both devices come with Gorilla Glass and the display brightness, the Vivo S18 Pro and the Vivo S18 have 2800 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, the ultra wide 50 megapixel and the 12 megapixel telephoto and also record 4K 30fps video. And the Vivo S18 come with dual setup, first 50 megapixel wide and the 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's also record the 4K 30fps video. And the device is selfie camera. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 50 megapixel dual LED flash HDR 4K 30fps video recording and the Vivo S18 50 megapixel dual LED flash HDR 1080 by 30fps video recording. And the talk about the platform of these devices, the Vivo S18 come with octa-core processor with Cortex A715 and the Vivo S18 Pro come with octa-core processor with the Cortex X3. And the chipset of these devices, the Vivo S18 Pro come with MediaTek 9200 plus 4nm chipset and the Vivo S18 come with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU of these devices, the Vivo S18 Pro come with Motorola G715 and the Vivo S18 come with Adreno 720. Both devices come with Android 14. Let's talk about the storage of these devices. The Vivo S18 Pro come with 16GB RAM and the Vivo S18 Pro come with 16GB RAM. And the storage, the both devices come with 512GB of storage and it had no SD card supported. And the battery of these devices, the Vivo S18 Pro and the Vivo S18 come with 5000 mAh battery and the both devices have 80 watt fast charging and it had not any wireless charging supported and the both devices 5G supported. And the result of these devices, the Vivo S18 Pro got 26 points and the Vivo S18 got 22 points.